slapped me across the face. And I laughed. I laughed because I didn't know what else to do. I thought, this must be a joke. This must be a joke. Because I didn't know what was going on. I just stared at him, kind of laughing still, thinking that he was going to start laughing too to tell me it was a joke, but he didn't. He said, "You think it's so funny? You think it's funny? You think you're a funny?" And he slapped me again. I just finished that dress. And he's like grabbing my breasts, he's touching my thighs, he rips my underwear off. He said he was looking for his drugs, his cocaine, his coke. I was wondering how somebody who didn't do cocaine and was against it, that was in and of itself causing problems in our relationship. Like, just shoved his fingers inside me. She kind of leaned into me and kind of sat on the arm of the chair I was sitting in. He grabbed her by the wrist and slammed it down on the table and told her he could break her wrist. And I remember thinking, I've heard this before. And that was a pattern that would repeat itself a few times. These things would happen in these kind of cycles where there'd be a certain element that would get filtered for a while. At one point, Johnny just shoves me, just shoves me hard. And I fall back onto this glass table. Johnny slapped me. I walked away from him, and that made it worse. We got into like a shouting match. I remember it kind of like a little pot, not a pot, but like a vase. I got away from him enough. As he reels back, I threw it in his direction, and actually managed to get away before he got me. He grabbed me by the arm, and he kind of just held me on the floor, screaming at me.
Never did I myself reach the point of striking Miss Heard in any way, nor have I ever struck any woman.